The first thing one has to do before submitting the paper is check the scope of the journals. Sometimes what happens, people don't check the scope and they used to submit the paper, and after a while or after sometimes say 15 days or 1 month, they used to return the paper saying that this paper is out of scope. To save this time, what one can do is check thoroughly the scope of the journal. And one more thing one can do is not only to check the scope of the journal, what are the different times taken by the journal in different processes. Because what happens, the second thing or people used to face is, after submission, if the time taken by the journal is so long, then they used to be impatient. And then because the paper is already submitted, they cannot submit it to some other paper, other journal. And this can be avoided by doing the pre-submission homework. In this way, one can save the time as well. At the same time, the person who is submitting is clear about the what approximately going to happen if I submit this paper to this journal.